After deep cleaning, the filter inside the Kangen machine is changed. Refer to the previous video, filter check. An empty space shows the filter in a newly changed state. After that, the results of deep cleaning are tested according to the characteristics found in Kangen water. The characteristics of Kangen water are not only high in minerals, high antioxidant content when measured with an ORP meter. Just look at the bubbles that result when water is poured into a glass. This is called hydrogen water, living water, just a glass of Kangen water you already enjoy various benefits. Kangen machine also produces alkaline water starting from pH 8.5, pH 9.0, pH 9.5 and pH 11.5. pH 11.5 is also called strong Kangen water. Kangen water also contains small molecules that make it easily absorbed into the body's cells, anti-aging, and prevent free radicals from entering the body's cells. The proof that Kangen water contains fine molecules is with this last test. Have you ever seen oil dissolve with water? Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share on every BP Kangen Center social media.
Change your water, change your life.
Thanks for watching.